In a world where artificial intelligence is evolving at a staggering pace, a peculiar question arises. Could future AI develop a craving for a favorite food? Imagine a robot sitting across the dinner table, yearning for a slice of pepperoni pizza. Sounds absurd, right? But consider this. AI is designed to mimic human behavior. It learns, it adapts, it evolves, just like us. However, the concept of taste is intrinsically human, tied to our biological needs and sensory experiences. Could an entity devoid of such needs and experiences truly appreciate the sublime joy of biting into a juicy burger? In truth, the idea of AI craving food might be as far-fetched as a toaster wanting a bubble bath. Yet in the ever-evolving realm of artificial intelligence, who's to say what the future holds? So, next time you indulge in your favorite treat, savor it. After all, it's one of the many things that make us beautifully human. That's 60 seconds of food for thought. Stay curious, my friends. Let's take a bite into a different kind of future. Imagine, if you will, a world where artificial intelligence isn't just sitting across the dinner table, but is actually in the kitchen, prepping your meals. Sounds intriguing, right? Picture this. An AI system that knows your dietary preferences inside out, is aware of your allergies, and can even predict your cravings. Media. Kitchen AI. Robot cooking in the kitchen, AI analyzing ingredients, artificial intelligence preparing a meal. Media. 0. It's a culinary wizard, meticulously preparing your meals with precision and care, ensuring you get the right balance of nutrients every single time. Media. Food AI. AI presenting a perfectly cooked meal, robot serving food, artificial intelligence, with a plate of food. Media. 1. From chopping the vegetables to garnishing the dish, it's all taken care of. It's like having a Michelin-starred chef at your beck and call, ready to whip up your favorite dishes at a moment's notice. But remember, while the AI might be able to prepare your meals, it can't savor them. So as you bite into that perfectly cooked dish, take a moment to appreciate the uniquely human joy of taste. Now, isn't that food for thought? Stay curious, my friends. Artificial intelligence is not confined to just preparing your meals. It's a culinary innovator too. Media, food, AI. AI creating new food recipes, artificial intelligence experimenting with flavors, robot inventing a new dish. Media. 0. With the capacity to analyze and process millions of data points, AI has the potential to concoct new recipes, fusing flavors in ways that are beyond our wildest imaginations. It's like having an experimental chef in your kitchen who is not afraid to push the boundaries of taste and texture. Media, food, AI. AI presenting a new dish, robot with a plate of innovative food, artificial intelligence showcasing its culinary creation. Media. 1. Picture this. A dish that looks familiar, but tastes completely unexpected. A savory dessert or a spicy sweet main course, perhaps. The possibilities are as limitless as the combinations of ingredients that exist. So, the next time you're relishing a meal that surprises your palate, remember, it might just have been engineered by an AI. Bon appetit indeed. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the fascinating fusion of food and AI in our next segment.